I'm Sam, and this is Cooking Cuban. Hey everyone, today Abuela and I are making sofrito with the help of my mama as camera lady. And these are the ingredients that you need for it. I almost forgot a very important one. A mí casi se me olvida.
La cebolla.
Estoy loca.
Ese es mi primero, lo que yo uso primero.
Step one, let's get to chopping. ¿Tú qué estás haciendo?
Picando la cebolla.
Para el sofrito.
Para el sofrito es lo primero que se pica la cebolla y ahora se echa en el caldero.
¿Y tú, señorita?
I'll be camera person. Come on.
I'll be camera person. Come on. That means
Ella no la
she's hungry.
Ella no la camarógrafa.
Cook.
Ella no la camarógrafa.
Sí, la camarógrafa, vamos. Abuela says you should take out the little veins of the pepper because those are more bitter than she would like.
Para quitarle las venas al ají. Porque las venas estas son amargas.
Abuela says chopping everything in slices like that bell pepper makes it easy for those who don't like it to just pick it out after it's already been seeped in flavor.
Se hace el ají en la razón. Para que no le guste el ají, lo pueda sacar. Yo siempre lo uso de esa manera. Porque si lo haces en cuadritos y hay quien no le guste, pues como sea, el hijo mío, cada vez que vea eso, me sabe pulgar. Y la hija mía también.
Voy a calentar el...
Sí, póngale aceite, por favor. Para echar la cebolla primero porque se tiene que amortiguar.
Sí, chef. Abuela was hurrying me up to put oil in the pan because it was time to start simmering those onions. We got to get them cooked down. Here she is putting the onions in. Sizzle, or not? Todavía no está caliente.
No, después que lo eché. Ajá.
Sí.
Pero lo acabo de
poner.
Pues eso no tiene que ver. Yo cocino así, ahí no esperan que se caliente ahí.
I've been told to chop garlic with salt, and soon we're going to put in the peppers, which Abuela kind of forgot to finish cutting.
Ay, está en un trozo. Bueno, suspendí.
Este todavía está en un trozo.
Es que la cámara vino primero que yo terminara.
Before putting in the garlic, make sure the peppers and onions cook down well because you don't want to burn the garlic.
Tiene que suavizar un poco.
Hasta que no se avise no se helado, porque acuérdate que el helado lo último. Entonces te da el gusto. Y si se quema, hermano.
Sofrito really is the base of many Cuban dishes, so it's important and imperative to learn, especially if they don't sell it pre-made at your supermarket. We are now adding in the garlic.
Y el ajo no lo puedes poner muy rápido, ¿no? Porque si no, mucho tiempo.
Mucho tiempo no, porque se quema y se coge, cuando se quema el ajo, ya coge amargo.
No queremos eso.
Once you've got your garlic in there, stir it up and let it simmer a bit before putting your tomato puree and tomatoes in there. And what do? Mix it up again.
Limón, ¿qué?
Lemon.
Lime.
Lemon, ¿no es?
Lime es el amarillo.
No, vieja, lemon green.
In Spanish, both lemons and limes are both called limon. It just, you have to specify which color. You get a squeeze, at least a half a lime in there to make sure it makes it nice and tangy. That really adds that freshness to the sofrito, which will add it to your food.
Perfect. El sofrito is done.
Bing! Once you see it all blends together and cooks down nicely, it is ready for you to add the food.
¿El sofrito?
¿Está rico?
Sí. It's perfect. It's just right. It has a little tang from the lime, and the garlic, the onions is all tied together. Now the wonderful thing about sofrito, although this is amazing, you need to go and watch the next video of what you can make with the sofrito because it's the base of all Cuban cooking. ¿Sí no? ¿Qué no? Diga que sí.
Sí. ¿Qué cosa es?
Next time on Cooking Cuban, which will be February 7th, Tuesday, we will be making fricassé de pollo, which is what we made using the sofrito you just saw us cook. Learn another great staple Cuban dish right here on Some Amazing Travels with Abuela and I. Outtakes.
Don't record me, I look horrible.
Mira la camarógrafa. La camarógrafa dice, no me grabe que me veo horrible. Pero también maneja la cámara horrible.
Ay, Dios mío.
I'm just kidding, Mom.
Ay,
I swear, I'm just messing with her.
Eso para cuando nosotros estemos aquí se burlarse de nosotros. Ay,
Thanks for watching us cook. We love doing it. We love hanging out together. If you guys have a suggestion for something you want us to make, put it in the comments. Next week will be a travel video exploring the world with me, Sam, and then another Cooking Cuban on February 7th.
Abuela en candela.
Abuela Candela, con su sazón.